Everyone wants financial freedom, but almost no one gets it. Not because they didn't invest, but because they invested in the wrong story. This is the story of financial freedom investments and why most people never reach the ending they were promised. Every generation is sold the same dream. Work hard, invest early, and let money work for you. In the 1920s, it was stocks. In the 1950s, it was real estate. In the 1990s, it was tech. In the 2010s, it was crypto. Each era promised freedom. Each era created millionaires. And each era quietly destroyed far more people than it saved. The dream of financial freedom never changes. Only the asset does. The first lie is simple. Financial freedom is about picking the best investment. But history disagrees. The people who bought stocks before 1929 believed they were free until the crash. The homeowners of 2006 felt secure until leverage turned toxic. The crypto believers of 2021 thought volatility was opportunity until liquidity vanished. The problem was never intelligence. It was timing, debt, and survival. Freedom isn't destroyed by bad assets. It's destroyed by fragile strategies. Here's the part rarely discussed. Financial freedom doesn't arrive suddenly. It sneaks in quietly. It belongs to people who survive downturns, avoid forced selling. Stay liquid when others panic. The truly free investors didn't chase returns. They built staying power. They understood something markets never advertise. You don't need to win big. You need to not lose fatally. The real enemy of financial freedom isn't inflation. It isn't crashes. It isn't even bad investments. It's dependence. Dependence on salaries. Dependence on debt-fueled returns. And dependence on markets always going up. Every crisis exposes the same truth. Those who need markets to behave aren't free. Those who can wait are. Most investors fail for one reason. They confuse wealth with freedom. Wealth is numbers on a screen. Freedom is control over time and decisions. History shows this pattern clearly. Booms create wealth, crises decide who keeps freedom. And every time, the survivors look boring in hindsight. No headlines, no miracle trades, just resilience. So here's the uncomfortable truth. Financial freedom isn't built by chasing the future. It's built by surviving it. The real investment isn't a stock, a property, or a coin. It's the ability to stay standing when everyone else is forced to kneel. Because in the end, freedom doesn't belong to the richest. It belongs to the ones who last. And that's the part of investing no one sells because it can be packaged, hyped, or promised. If this changed how you think about money, you're already closer to financial freedom than most people.